Okay, this is 2006 Edsel, and this video is about the tarot reading on the relationship of James Yap and Chris Aquino. At itatanong natin kung anong magiging outcome ng relationship nila sa taon ng 2011. So, i-consult natin yung tarot cards. Let's go on with the reading. The first two cards that I draw represent their relationship, which is the Chariot card and the Five of Pentacles. The Chariot card represents James, and the part of the image of this card that is visible represent what is shown on the surface, what the public sees on his part regarding their relationship. At ang nakikita natin dito ay yung horse, image of an horse, pero katawan lang ang nakikita natin. And it's going on the direction away from this card, which may represent James' willingness to separate from Chris. So the world sees that James is willing to separate from Chris. Pero makikita rin natin na ang kanyang mukha ay natatakpan ng card na to. The Four of Cups reverse, which represents na hindi nakikita ng horse yung direction ng kanyang path. So, maaaring i-represent nito hindi alam ni James yung magiging outcome ng kanilang, although hindi alam ni James ang magiging outcome ng kanyang decision, he continued with it. The reason was the Chariot card. Ang ibig sabihin ng card na to ay wala sa kanya ang control ng magiging outcome ng kanilang relationship, which is ang talagang may control ay yung tadhana, represented by these two figure of horse. Ang nasa isip niya, bahala na kahit anong mangyari, basta tuloy pa rin siya sa pag-usad. But James is also willing to fix the relationship, represented by the other figure of the horse, this one, which is going on the direction towards the card representing Chris, the Five of Pentacles. Pero mas malakas yung tendency na yung willingness niya na to separate with Chris dahil yun ang mas visible. Mas malakas yung influence ng separation. This card represents Chris, and the image that is visible is only 3 coins. But this card is the card of Five of Pentacles. Around the 3 coins represent comfort and improvement. While the reverse card, the reverse flower represent the seeking or longing for it. So, ang ibig sabihin ng card na ito, na Chris is seeking for comfort and improvement in the difficulties of the relationship, represented by this card, the Five of Pentacles. One of the reasons is that this card also represents lack of trust. So, nawala na siya ng tiwala kay James. The another reason that is represented by this card, the Five of Pentacles, was the money issue. And money has two faces. One which is material possession, and the other is power or influence. Chris felt some insecurities regarding her possession and influence. Dahil alam naman natin na bago sila ikasal, meron silang prenuptial agreement ni James na walang makukuha si James na kahit magkano, dahil na rin sa impluwensya ng pamilya, ni Chris. So ito yung mga dahilan, mga bagay na nagpapahirap sa kanyang kalooban. The Two of Cups represents separation. It also represents a relationship of the extremes. Ang ibig sabihin, one day there is love and relationship. The relationship is full of love and affection. And the next day, there is tension and struggle for power. So, there is a reversal of love situation. But this card, the Two of Cups reverse, also represent foolish ways. Ang ibig sabihin, yung desisyon nila maghiwalay, maaaring dumating ang panahon na ma-realize nila na hindi pala tama yung ginawa nilang desisyon. At nagsayang lang sila ng oras at emotional investment. Ang Ten of Swords naman represents end of something, which is the relationship. It also represents betrayal of trust. At yung ending na represented by this card is often very painful and usually requires great courage and understanding. Ang Hermit card naman, Hermit reverse, represent enforced loneliness o kalungkutan na dulot ng kanilang paghiwalay and separation, failed relationship and separation, which is felt by both parties, nararamdaman nilang parehas. Kaya lang, ang mas apektado dito ay yung kanilang anak, which is represented by Page of Pentacles reverse. The Page of Pentacles reverse represent their son, which is connected to this card. Ang ibig sabihin, he is also emotionally dissatisfied from the separation of his parents. Yung sitwasyon niya, this will somehow convince his parents to change their purpose. The Ten of Cups reverse represents emotional disruption, which was felt by their son, because one of his parents moved away, and this emotional disruption is also felt by both parties. And the card representing his parents in the future, this card represents James. in the near future. And this card represents Chris. On the part of Chris, an attempt for reconciliation will be difficult because there will be conflict with the family represented by this card, because her relatives will influence her decision. Even though this will be beneficial for their son, this will be for the sake of their son. It is very difficult to reconcile with you. One of the reasons of these difficulties in reconciliation is represented by this card, the Hangman reverse. This card says that she will not be able to free herself from the pressures of the family and the society. She will not be able to use her free will at this point of time. But there is a promise of new beginning represented by this card on her part, on the part of Chris, represented by the Ace of Cups. This means that she will somehow cope up with the situation and move on. And there is a feeling of contentment on the present situation. And in the near future, the possibility of a new love affair is very possible. Okay. Whether it is a new love affair with James or with someone else. On the part of James, he was represented by this card, the Six of Wands reverse. This card represents continuing difficulties caused by other people. Ang ibig sabihin, makakaranas pa rin siya ng mga paghihirap ng kalooban gawa ng ibang tao. And the cards that are connecting them together, connecting Chris and James, was the loneliness or emotional disruption felt by their son. It is somehow connecting them together. And the advice that were given by the cards were represented by this card, the Hangman reverse. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay iwasan nila yung pagiging selfish nila. Isipin nila yung pinagdadaanan ng kanilang anak, emotional disruption. They must have some change of purpose.